Hello everyone. Today we are gonna talk about three super cool Figma UI kits for UI UX designers. Hello everyone, I am Abhay and today we are gonna talk about Figma kits which might be useful for you guys. So I'm gonna see towards my screen. So the first one is Nucleus UI kit, which is very super UI kit to kickstart your next Figma project. So when you go onto the website, you see this particular page where you can open the file. Once you click the open the file, this particular file appears, and let me tell you how you can basically use this file in your Figma. You just have to click duplicate. It will create a duplicate file in your own program and which you can access. You see it has the cover page which is just not relevant to you. It has all the components. Once you click the component library, you have all the basic components, alternative components, icons which they use, which is the feather icons, assets that they have, that is the fang logos. Then they have pattern examples like light patterns, which they have given a few examples how they have used this particular Nucleus UI. And you can see the dark version as well. So they have a lot of things that you can experiment with and see around it, how they have used their elements, the search, the icon, the each and every button, the menu bar, and each and everything that they have used. So you can roam around and experiment with this. The second is this device mockup thing. When you click on same process, when you click on duplicate, it creates a duplicate in your file. It has all the devices which you can create for the mockup. That means it has Apple iPhone SE 11 Pro, goes beyond Sony Xperia, OnePlus, and everything. You have iPad mockups as well, laptop mockups as well, and a device mashup as well, where you have the iPhone, iPad, and the MacBook. You guys can definitely use this one, and this will help you out as well because a lot of people ask me about how you can they mockup. So this is the goal. And I would like to let you know that all the description of these things are in the description box below. The third is very famous one that is called Contra wireframing kit, which is basically a wireframing kit, which is basically a cartoonish wireframing kit, I feel like. But all these things are very good where you can get inspiration from and use. So they have a component and styles where you can see each and every component's illustration that they have used. The cover page and the screens. Screens is the place where you want to experiment. They have onboarding screens, splash screen, login screens. They have a little product listing screen. They have a note screen. They have each and every. They have made a good amount of app which you can use. This wireframing tool which help you out a lot to get an idea of your app and make a wireframe which you can definitely use. I wish this video helped you out a lot. If it did, do give it a thumbs up, and all the link of these UI kits is in the description box below, so do check it out. And you can follow me on Instagram, that's linked down below as well. See you guys in the next one.